In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Canon Pixma G5020 printer that is printing the blank pages. You can clearly see we have enough black ink and we also have all the three color inks there, but still it's printing blank. And the most common reason is if we don't use the printer for a long time, the ink get clogged and it won't print anything. For example, I'll just send a print command here and I'll just wait for the printer. So it looks like it's printing, but when the prints comes out, it will either miss one ink or there is no ink at all. So this video will help you to fix such printers where any of the ink is not working or all of the four inks are not working. So right now we can clearly see it's just printing the blank pages. First step is to go to your printer and open the front chamber and look inside if the ink is there or not. Right now we can see there is no ink in the ink pipes. There is a little bit black ink, but there is no other color ink. So that means ink is not there. So if there is no ink in the pipes, definitely it needs the ink flush. And if you already have the ink in the pipes and it's not printing, then you just have to go to the next step. Right now I'll finish the first step here. So just click on the setting icon, scroll ahead, look for the maintenance and press OK. Now scroll ahead. Select the option ink flush. Now you have to select this option in case there is no ink and press OK on the ink flush. You have to select if you want to use a particular color, otherwise you can click OK on the all colors and make sure you have enough ink in the ink tanks. At least one level, that is on the last level, should be there. Only then you can perform it. Now once it is done, once you are ready, click on the yes and press OK. Again click on the yes and press OK. It's going to take around 9 minutes. While waiting here, we will also keep an eye on the ink level, how much ink is used in this process. So right now we can see for all the tricolor ink cartridges, it's up to mark here, that is between the two lines, and for the black it's just on the second number. So it looks like ink flush is done and it has done for the 9 minutes. That's what it was saying. So let's check the ink pipes. Once all the sounds goes away from the printer, then we will open this section and then we will check inside. Because it looks like it's still doing something. I think now it has stopped and there is no sound anymore. Just lift this section to check if the ink is there or not. We can clearly see the ink flush has worked and we can see all the inks through the pipes. That means it should be printing normal. So let's do a print test. Close this section. I have sent a print command. we can clearly see the ink flush has worked and all the inks are working right now. Now in case your printer already have ink in the pipes and it's not printing, then you just have to go to the printer display panel. So I'll show you how to fix that. Go to the printer display panel. Click on the setting icon, click again, scroll ahead and look for the maintenance and press OK. Scroll ahead, click on the cleaning. Scroll ahead and you will see the option cleaning. If you scroll one more ahead, you will see the deep cleaning. So there are two options for us here to use on this printer. So let's start with the cleaning and press OK. This is just a general cleaning, and in case ink is there in the pipes and it's not printing, this will help you to fix it. So we'll just wait for the cleaning to finish. It won't take much ink, it won't take much time. It always uses less ink. It has done the cleaning. To check if everything is okay, select nozzle check and press OK on that. It's gonna print the nozzle check sheet. So right now we can see all the inks are showing up on the nozzle check sheet. So that means our printer does not need any more cleaning. Now in case that doesn't work, if any of the ink is missing, scroll ahead and look for the deep cleaning. Again it will take some ink and then you can print the nozzle check sheet. You can repeat this process few times and your printer should be working normally. Hopefully this will help you to fix your printer. In case everything fails, you have done the ink flush, you have done the cleaning and deep cleaning, and if it's still not printing in all colors, make sure you have enough ink in the ink tanks. Sometimes if you don't have enough ink, even then this can happen. And if everything looks normal, you have tried everything, then there is a last option to do the manual print head cleaning. If you want to know how to do that, you can watch my next video on that. Thanks for watching.